Hi there, my name is Dimpy. I hope you all are keeping well and are enjoying your holidays. I wish you all a very happy new year. So today's video is not a tutorial, I'll just be sharing my journey with you all. So I started a new sketchbook around mid-July last year and I have recently finished that sketchbook. So this sketchbook comprises of the watercolor online lessons that I've been taking and also other subjects which I have been practicing on a regular basis. I hope you all agree practice does make a lot of difference to your artwork, and the more consistent you are with your practice, the better you get. So some of these paintings are not up to my expectations, but I'm still quite pleased with the way they turned out. With every new subject I have tried painting, I have enhanced my skills and learned something new. So I'd really like to encourage you to try practicing on a regular basis and keep trying to paint something which you haven't tried before, and you'll see that your skills gradually get better and better. I hope you guys enjoyed watching through my sketchbook, and I hope I've given you some inspiration to try painting new subjects. I will see you soon with another tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye.